My name is Advocate Priyanka Vilas Pandit. I'm a practicing litigator based out of Mumbai in India. I'm here to talk to you about a fabulous application called LiquidText. LiquidText is an application that I came across when I was trying to look at ways in which I can use technology to leverage my advantage at work and to work faster and integrate the advantages and benefits of technology into my work so that I have to work less with paper and I can transition more into digitizing the way I go about work. So a few of my friends actually were already using LiquidText before I had an iPad and I came across the application. But since I've come across the application, I've been hooked, and LiquidText is my go-to now to manage all of my briefs when I am working on a particular case. So as a lawyer who's into litigation primarily, there are a lot of times when we have to go through a huge amount of paperwork, which requires a lot of categorization, coordination, and we have to make multiple copies for cross-referencing, and you can't sort of keep losing your notes. So having it all collated can become really, really challenging. When I'm working on a complex brief that requires that maybe involves a lot of other cross matters or cross cases, or requires a lot of reference to previous case laws or evidence which is, for example, already on record in another matter, which is required to now be used in my matter for the purposes of the trial or for the purposes of final argument, it can be a very daunting task to have multiple briefs through which you are required to personally memorize what paper lies in which brief, and when at what point during an argument in court I am required to take reference to a particular file of papers and pull that reference. This process is not only complicated, but can also cost us a lot of time, which as a lawyer, when you're in front of a judge, you don't really have. So besides the ease of use that LiquidText has, it also allows me to create different folders within a particular project where I can have these multiple documents all collated under one project, and that can really, really make my life simple. You'll understand more about this as I share my screen and show you how I go about this. So I will begin by introducing one of the projects that I've already worked on, and then also do a sort of walkthrough to help you understand how you can try this for yourself.